Chapter 15. Plants Around Us. Let's talk. Hi Pairul, do you love plants and take care of them? Yes Simran. I love plants. I have grown many plants in my garden. Commit to learn. Parts of a plant. Root system. Shoot system. Taking care of trees. We see many trees and plants around us in places like gardens, parks and by the roadside. A plant is a living thing. It has different parts. Some parts are above the ground and some are below the ground. Parts of a plant. All plants have a basic similar structure. The part of the plant that grows above the soil is known as the shoot system. It includes the stem, leaves, branches, fruits and flowers. The part of the plant that grows below the soil is known as the root system. Let's study the different parts of a plant. Parts of a plant. Shoot system. Flower, helps is reproduction. Leaf, performs photosynthesis. Fruit, protects the seeds. Stem, supports the plant. Root system. Root, absorbs water and minerals. Root system. The part of a plant that grows below the surface of the earth is called a root. Two types of root systems are observed in plants: the taproot system and the fibrous root system. 1. Taproots. Some plants have a main root called the taproot. This taproot grows vertically down in the ground and gives out branches on all sides. These branches are called lateral or side roots. The taproot is quite thick but its branches are much thinner. The pea plant, mango tree, carrot and radish have taproots. Taproot. Stem. Main root. Side root. Lateral root. 2. Fibrous roots. Some plants do not have a main root. Such plants have many thin, fiber-like roots of similar size. Grass, maize etc. have fibrous roots. Fibrous root. Stem. Equal-sized. Roots. Functions of roots. The root of a plant performs many important functions. 1. Roots fix the plant firmly to the ground. This prevents the plant from being pulled out easily or blown away by the wind. 2. They absorb water and mineral salts from the soil. These substances are needed for the growth of the plant. 3. They store food prepared by the plant. Roots of plants like carrot, radish, beet and sweet potato store food prepared by the plant. These roots are called storage roots. We eat these roots. Storage roots. Carrot, radish, beet, sweet potato. 4. Roots of some plants provide additional support. Take a look at a banyan tree. Many rope-like growths hang down from its bigger branches. These hanging growths are special roots. They act like pillars and support the heavy branches of the tree. These are called aerial roots or prop roots. A banyan tree. Shoot system. The shoot system of a plant is the part of the plant that grows above the ground. It consists of the stem, branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. Stem. Stem is the main part of the shoot system. It grows vertically up from the ground. Stem is the strongest part of a tree and is known as trunk. Functions of stem. The stem performs many important functions. 1. It carries water and minerals from the roots to the leaves. 2. It carries prepared food from the leaves to the other parts of the plant. 3. Some kinds of stems store food. Stems of these plants grow below the ground. These stems are called underground modified stems. Ginger, onion, potato. Leaf. The leaf is a thin, flat and green part of a plant that is attached to the branch. Leaves manufacture food for the plant. Parts of a leaf. Leaf base, axil, stem, petiole, venules, vein, leaf blade, tip, margin, midrib. Flower. The most beautiful part of a plant is its flower. The main function of the flowers is to produce fruits and seeds. Parts of the flower. Stigma, style, ovary, ovule, pistil, petal, anther, filament, stamen, sepal, stem. Fruit. Another important part of a plant is its fruit. It contains seeds. An apple, fruit. Seeds. Seed. Each seed contains a baby plant and food for the new plant. A pea pod, fruit. Seeds. Plants and trees around us. We depend on plants and trees for most of our needs. Trees give us fresh air, food, shelter, fuel, medicines and many other things. We must protect them. Taking care of trees. We must not cut down trees. Cutting trees will lead to serious problems like pollution, drought and flooding. Moreover, trees are a source of food, medicine, wood and oxygen. It will be impossible for us to survive without trees. Therefore, we should take better care of plants around us. We must celebrate Van Mahotsav throughout India. Tree plantation. Van Mahotsav is a festival of trees. Trees are planted in large numbers on this day. Many schools celebrate this festival. Students and teachers plant saplings. The motto for these relates to forest conservation and preservation. Tree plantation by the government. The government is also aware of the importance of trees. It plants trees like neem, jamun, mango and eucalyptus on the roadsides. The municipal authorities take care of them. The Forest Department of the Government of India plants and protects forests. It prevents cutting of trees without prior permission. Some tribal people live in forests. They cut down trees to earn their living, but they plant more trees and look after them till they grow up. The balance of nature is not disturbed. Unfortunately, man is destroying forests by cutting them to clear land for construction and agriculture. This is making thousands of tribals homeless and leaving them without food and shelter. We should take care of these green friends. Let's recall. The main parts of a plant are roots, stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. Each plant has a root system and shoot system. The two types of root systems are taproot system and fibrous root system.